Today, we are going to the Universal Studios in Los Angeles. We can use the Los Angeles Metro train to go to the Universal Studios in Los Angeles. From our hotel, which is the Sheraton Grand, we walk to the LA Metro 7th Street Metro Center train station. And so from our hotel, which is the Sheraton Grand, we walk along Hope Street and turn left at 7th Street. Along 7th Street, we enter Macy's department store, which is just behind our hotel, which is the Sheraton Grand. From here, we just walk around Macy's department store and we will reach the entrance of the 7th Street Metro Center train station of the LA Metro. We enter the 7th Street Metro Center train station using our LA Metro Top card. Here at the 7th Street Metro Center train station, we wait for the train at the train platform for the trains going to North Hollywood. Take note that there are two trains using this platform. This train platform is used by the trains going to North Hollywood and also for the trains going to Wilshire Western. We must ride only on the train going to North Hollywood.
Morning! Where are we going today?
We are going to Universal Studios. Before boarding the train, we must look at the passenger information display to see which train is arriving at the station. As you can see here, the train going to North Hollywood is arriving in almost just 1 minute. Now we can see that the train going to North Hollywood is arriving, so we must board the train now.
Welcome aboard the Metro Red Line. This train's final destination is North Hollywood. The next stop is Vermont Beverly Station. Please stand clear. The doors are closing. The next stop is Universal City, Studios City Station at Lancashire Boulevard, Campo de Omega. Connect here with the shuttle to Universal Studios Hollywood and City Walk upstairs and across the bridge.
We get down the train at the Universal City Station. We do not have to use our LA Metro Top Card to exit the LA Metro exit gates. And so we finally arrived at the Universal Studios City. From here, we can just cross the pedestrian bridge to go to the Universal Studios theme parks. After walking out towards the left side of the Universal City Metro train station, we will see the way going up to the pedestrian bridge crossing. We can take the escalator or elevator going up to the pedestrian bridge crossing. Then we walk along the pedestrian bridge crossing to the other side of the road. At the end of the pedestrian bridge crossing, we can go down using the elevator or escalator. Once you get down the pedestrian bridge crossing on the other side, you will see the Universal City shuttle service stop, where we will find a free shuttle service which will take us to the Universal City Walk.
Bag, you take line 12, 8, 4, 4. Those lines are only for people with no bag. Moving down, you're getting a lot quicker. You have no bag, lane 12, 8, 4.
And so we finally made it to to the Universal Studios in Los Angeles. Our first ride adventure is the Transformers, which can be found in the lower lot. And so we have to walk to the lower lot of the Universal Studios in Los Angeles.
With a little nope. Good what? Good day. I want a pirate ship. Good day. Very nice. I'm out to say cheese and I tell it. Come on!
And so we finally arrived for our first ride, which is the Transformers. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't worry, be happy, and have a very happy trip.
Leo. Nice to meet you, Leo. I am Optimus Prime. It's good to have you here, Leo. I know I speak for all of us when I say Leo has great courage. Sorry. I keep interrupting.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Well said, well said. Come forward. Hello, young man. I can tell you've waited a long time. What's your name, son? Nicholas. You got a powerful lung capacity for your size, Nicholas. Hello, young lady. Hello, brother Nicholas. Assuming you're all siblings, correct? Good. Then come forward and stand here in the recruit zone.